Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through creating a map with the Dreame Matrix10 Pro. If you're interested in the Matrix10 Pro, the link to it, as well as links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaners, as well as our daily vacuum deals website links, will be in the video description, so be sure to shop those links below. So we're in the Dreame home app right here. We have our Matrix10 Pro selected. We're going to hit that go button. It's going to take us into our device overview, our main screen here, where front and center we have a tan or a beige start fast mapping. We're going to select that. It walks you through a quick mapping guide. Basically, place the station exactly where you want it in your house. Open up all the doors to all the rooms that you want mapped and tidy up the floor. Just tidy up odds and ends, anything you can to make your map as accurate as possible. Hit OK. And now we wait. It's going to dispatch from the station. It's going to drive around your house. It'll take anywhere between like 5 and 10 minutes, depending on how large or complex your floor plan is. But now it's starting to map. Once it's done, it heads back to the station. The map populates. We can edit our map or approve our map, and then you're all set and ready to go. All right, it's back at the station. Our map has been completed. This screen pops up. So we got our open floor plan. We can skip or adjust. You can always make edits later. Everything looks good, but let's go ahead. Let's select adjust now. Get a better feel for what we're working with. We can merge, divide, and hide rooms. So that actually looks really good. The labels are off, no big deal. But that looks great. So we could rename, like this isn't the kitchen. But it doesn't really matter there. That's fine. We hit next step. We can add no-go zones, thresholds, ramps. Next step. We can add furniture if we want. Next step. And then here we go. We can adjust the cleaning order. And then hit complete. Auto mop switching. Showing you each room, right? Which mop pad do you want to assign to each particular room? You can do that. Clean Genius. It walks you through some key features. But pretty sweet. So you'll notice again on the map which mop pad it's using, the cleaning order, and all of that can be adjusted in the map settings, which I'll show you right now too. Right-hand side of your screen, towards the center above the camera icon is a map with a pencil. And here we go. Cleaning order, furniture, threshold ramp, room partition, no-go zones, floor material, carpet, and curtains. So all those settings right there. Let me just show you that. So you can pick and choose your mop pad right there. Simple and straightforward to adjust anything that you need in your map at any time if you don't want to do it after initial setup. Maybe you want to give it a couple cleans, see how it does, and then make some changes. No big deal. You can do that. Very simple to create your map with the Matrix10 Pro. And for those wondering, this does support multi-level mapping. Let's hit that settings gear icon. I'm just going to go up here to the top right-hand corner and search map, and it has multi-floor map management. So you can bring this up, and we have right above that little trash can, map management. And then we can go ahead, house type, multi-floor. And now at the bottom, we can create a map. And here we go. We can have it clean a map or just do fast mapping. So if you want to move it to the upstairs, downstairs, have multiple floors, that's how you add additional maps.